Smartphone cameras are better now than ever before, but if you're looking to have a bite-sized DSLR in your pocket, that typically means shelling out big bucks for the latest and greatest flagship level phone. However, if you aren't willing to break the bank for a smartphone that takes amazing pictures, then look no further than the Vivo V30. When it comes to exceptional photos and videos, the Vivo V30 punches far above its price point, delivering a flagship level experience. This is thanks to the exceptionally well-designed camera system, which produces incredibly sharp and vivid photos. The phone features 3 cameras, a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and a 50 megapixel selfie camera. The selfie camera is particularly impressive as it has a 119-degree field of view and can identify up to 30 faces in the frame. Further enhancing this is the OIS, which ensures that shaky videos and blurry photos are never a concern when using the camera. The smartphone features a top-tier 1/1.55-inch sensor with flagship-level light sensitivity. Vivo's VCS technology ensures that night images are detailed, bright, and colorful. When compared to its predecessor, Vivo states that this sensor has 25% increased image purity, 15% increased color accuracy, and 200% increased light intake. And if you are into taking portraits, then this phone has another trick up its sleeve, the Aura Light Portrait. While at first glance it might look like a big flash, the addition of the Aura Light completely changes the game when it comes to phone photography. When compared to a phone flash, the Aura Light is 19 times bigger, which allows the light it produces to be softer and far more flattering. This extra light also ensures that when taking snaps, you won't lose any facial details, while also giving your subject far more pop than they otherwise would have. This exceptional feature is also backed by equally impressive software. The Aura Light is able to detect the color temperature of the scenery and react accordingly to the warm or cool lighting of your surroundings. This ensures that your subject harmonizes the look and feel of your surroundings, making sure they not only look great but also natural. It is also no surprise that outside of the flagship level camera, the Vivo V30 is an exceptional smartphone. Featuring a 6.78-inch curved screen with an astonishing 120Hz refresh rate and 1 billion colors thanks to its P3 color gamut. Using the smartphone is an absolute pleasure, even when out and about, as the screen boasts an impressive 2800 nits local peak brightness. For its specs, this smartphone is extremely sleek and easy to hold, coming in at only 186 grams and 7.5mm thick. The design of the device also stands out with your 2 color options being Noble Black and Waving Aqua. Those of you looking to customize the look of your smartphone won't be disappointed either, as the device has a custom lock screen. This device features Vivo's slimmest smartphone battery yet, with an impressive 5000 mAh battery capacity. You can expect to get 8 hours of gaming, 12 hours of scrolling through Instagram, or 16 hours of video streaming on YouTube on a single charge. Recharging the phone is no issue either, as the 80-watt flash charge will take you from 0 to 100% in 48 minutes. We were seriously impressed by the Vivo V30. At its price point, the phone offers incredible value in terms of its specs. Not to mention the impressive camera that absolutely blew us away. So if you're looking to upgrade your phone and don't want to make any compromises when it comes to camera quality, take a look at the Vivo V30.